have found shelter. Second thing to do in survival is to get food.
Food? No, we've got to finish the shelter first.
We've got to carry on building the shelter and then we'll get food.
No, it's water.
Okay, we're gonna.
Right, so what have you got in your bag?
Food, water, and bowls and stuff. So we've got bowls.
Bowl? Right.
I don't have a clue what this is.
Oh, well, we'll find out.
What's that? What's this?
Oh. What does that do?
Cook things probably. I don't know.
Okay. What else have you got?
We've got water, a lot of water.
Water, that's good, so we don't have to search for it, because we've already got it. That's handy.
Then we've got a spoon for the food.
Oh, don't put the spoon on the floor, it'll go dirty.
Got food, spoon and stuff. We got a little. We got some stuff.
Coffee.
Coffee.
Cup.
Coffee and a cup.
That's it, front and floor. And then what else we got?
We got porridge.
Yeah.
And normal porridge.
Yeah, what else?
We got some.
What's that?
Spirit 35.
Spirit 35?
What's Spirit 35?
I don't know.
I'll put that there and we'll find out later.
Right.
Then we've got
Some bits of metal.
bits of metal
Yeah.
and a lighter.
Oh, a lighter, that'd be handy, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
You gonna cook your porridge on the lighter?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we clear a little space.
Yep.
Clear a little bit of leaves out the way, so don't be catching fire.
No, otherwise
Yep.
we're going to have a forest fire. That would be bad.
Yep.
Oh, there's a leaf in the porridge. There's 2 leaves in the porridge bowl.
Okay, that's it, that's done.
That's bad.
Right, that's clear.
That's
Right,
clear.
it's a cleared little area. Right, that there
Yeah?
is called a trangia. What we do, got these special little legs. Undo that. Take that off of there. Take that off of there. Throw the clip back in the bag. Right, and these slot together. See that? Yeah, so slot those 2 together. That's it. And that sits in it. Right, now we take the top off. Like that. And that sits there like that.
So what's this for?
Right. Then we get the Spirit 35, which is meths.
Cool.
Right, and we fill that up. Fill it up to about there.
There we go.
See, stop. Sink back down. That. Now put the lid back on. Right.
So we filled that up.
Yeah.
So what are they for?
Right. These sit on the top there, so you can put a pot on it.
Ah!
Yeah.
So the
Right.
pot
So how are we going to light that? Are we going
with
to
the
stick?
lighter.
Are we going to go like that because it might explode and burn your hand? So if we get a stick, yeah, dip the stick in there, get it nice and wet, and then stick to light, and then we stick it in there, and that should light it. No, it's not happening.
There we go. There we go. We've done it.
Yeah.
We've made fire.
Is there heat? Yeah, the heat coming off of that. Give it a minute. So the hotter that gets, the better it'll burn, so you'll end up with nice big flames, okay?
Okay. And then we got
Right, so we've got a cooking pot here.
yeah, we got water here
Yep.
and the porridge.
Do you want both of these?
Yeah, no, I want the plain.
Okay.
I want the plain one. You can have the other one.
Okay. Right. So pour the porridge into the pot.
Okay, the porridge is in the pot.
Right, now fill that up with water.
Okay.
Under your lid, I'll hold it.
This is full up to the top.
Mind your fingers on the fire. Right, tip, tip, tip.
Dub, dub, dub.
Bit more. Add it. Whoop.
There we go. Right. Says to fill it up to there. You tip it in the bag.
And we'll give it a stir.
And I'll give this.
See, look, it's starting to burn more.
Yeah. Let's stir it.
No, don't knock it off.
Oh, hold it then. Stir. Don't want my glove to set on fire. So I'll just hold it there.
That's it.
Stir, then
Leave it.
leave it.
Is it done yet?
Huh?
Is it done yet?
I think it is done.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it nice and thick?
Yeah, it's nice and thick. Thick. So we want to
Yep.
take
Lift it up. Lift it up carefully.
that off.
Yep.
Then we want to put it in the bowl.
Yep.
So then I need to get all of that out for my breakfast. There's loads of it in there. That's because we tipped in the whole thing.
Okay. Awesome.
There we go.
That's be done.
So that's done. That's in there. Yeah, that was really nice.
How much are you eating?
Nearly all of it.
Nearly all of it. You've got to finish it. So
Yeah.
washing up.
Save the washing up.
Yeah.
We ran out of water.
Right, so what do you think about cooking on mess? Is it different?
Yeah, it's different.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Because we cooked on gas before, didn't we?
Yeah, we cooked on gas.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this time we're cooking on
But this
mess.
is a lot quieter. Probably a little bit lighter as well. You don't need as much. It's starting to go out now. We're running out of fuel. So you let it to burn out, and then the mess can't leak in your bag.
I don't know why I want to.
Mess smells funny.
Yeah, I'm trying to cook the stick.
Yeah. If you blow the stick, it'll burn more.
We've done step 1, we've done step 2, and we've done step 3.
Yeah.
What's step 4? Step 4 is to go back to where we were. First of all,
I think we should explore.
yeah, let's explore. That's step 4. Step 4 is to explore.
Yeah.
So,
Know your surroundings. Know where you are.
yep. So, down here, got leaves everywhere. Oh, we've got a tree. We've got mushrooms. That mushroom burnt polytree. A birch. Poly. Oh,
Yes.
yay! We got it.